Hey everyone, this is Hien. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to buy and use Bitcoin, basically. Normally when we first hear about it, it's like this digital currency that's like ones and zeros. So how do I even use this thing, right? And like be able to buy stuff. So let me teach you how to actually buy your Bitcoin. So to get Bitcoin, the cheapest place that you can buy it at is a website called Coinbase.com. Alright, so you haven't been there, check it out. Go to Coinbase.com and you'll be able to register for it. I think I'll put a link in the description below if you don't want to type it in. And it'll take you there, sign up for an account. It's going to take some time because you're going to have to verify your information and all this other stuff. And then link your bank accounts. Once you have done that, then you can actually purchase some Bitcoin and actually store it here on Coinbase. But you don't actually want to store it there, because it's not actually yours unless you have the secret keys to your Bitcoin, okay, or Ethereum or whatever digital currency that's out there. Okay, now I'll talk to you a little more about that later, but that's just the basics. Just get that account set up, buy one. Don't worry about the security so much because it's just your first one. I don't think you're gonna buy $1 million in Bitcoin or something crazy. You probably buy like $100, $10, whatever it is, right? Just to start. And then as you get familiar, then you can buy a little more, but let's just get your feet wet. Okay, so get that up, and then once you're done with that, how are we gonna spend the Bitcoin, right? You bought $10 or $100. Hey, I want to use that Bitcoin. If it goes up a little bit, I actually want to cash it out and buy some food or whatever. So the way you exit your coin, the best way I think instantly is to get this thing called BitPay. So you want to do is go to your phone, download BitPay, and actually register for a BitPay card. Okay, so the card is like this. It's like $10 to get the card, and it's basically a bank. Where you get a bank account number that you can ask for. You can deposit money into that card. You can spend it. You can actually cash the Bitcoins in your wallet. So the app will actually guide you to actually creating your own your Bitcoin wallet and other coins that you might want to buy. And then they'll give you the secret keys, which you own. Okay, if you own those secret keys, that is your wallet, and no one can take that away from you, unless you tell somebody or someone, whatever. Yeah. So that's how you do it. And then from that, you link your card up to this app so that you can then go to your wallet and then say, hey, I want to add $100 to my BitPay card, and then it'll turn that into fiat. After they process it and whatnot, and then usually depending on the coin, like Ethereum is pretty fast. Bitcoin sometimes takes like 15 minutes to go through, so you make sure you plan for that. Okay, so once you get your card, it's gonna cost you $10. It's gonna take some time for you to get that, and it'll arrive in the mail. So I'm gonna give you a little demonstration here. Once you launch the BitPay app, it's gonna look something like that. All right, it's gonna say, hey, you got some crypto here, and it will give you a list of wallets that you can add, and these are my wallets right here. So I kind of like, it's kind of like how I budget, right? The envelope system. I put a little bit for gas. This is my gas wallet. This is my grocery wallet. This is my fun wallet. This is my investment wallet, and I kind of like separate them out. Okay, just store it there. Okay, and then or like a play account, right? Once you have ready to play, you can say, hey, this is my Ethereum right here. It's got I think it might be reversed, I don't know in the video, but there it is. And then you can go, okay, I want to add money to my card. So you can again go over to your card, which is over here. I have $200 in there, and that's my BitPay card. I tap on it, and it's gonna take me to my card. Okay, and then I go, hey, I want to add funds to it. So you can hit the add funds button and say, I want $100 in there. So let's go ahead, add $100. I should probably do, oh, that's $1,000. $100, continue, and then take it from my Ethereum wallet, which has 1,100 in there. Right, take it from that account. You tap that, and then you basically, it'll automatically convert that Ethereum or Bitcoin into dollars for you, and put that into your card, and it comes through pretty fast, instantly, I think, with Ethereum. And then there's a little, of course, you pay some fees to the card company for processing that, and then the miner fee and then you kind of get this card, and you can go ahead and be at the store and then spend it. Okay, so that's how that works. And so that's how, once you can get these two things together, then it kind of makes more sense. But oh, it's not the actual physical coin, it's all digital, but make sure you have the secret keys. Now when you create your wallet on the app, it's gonna give you a set of keys, and these keys are basically, you know, like words. Make sure you write them down. I would store it somewhere safe that you can get to, maybe some kind of notepad, or that, like OneNote, Microsoft OneNote. You can password lock it. You can put it on some other notebook. I forgot what it's called, Notes something, I don't know, but, or LastPass, or whatever program that you store your secret stuff in. Okay, you can put in a little text file. I don't know. You know, you might not have version control on that. Something that has version control. So I like OneNote, because you can actually, if you actually delete it, you can actually go back in time and history and say, oh, I accidentally deleted it, what was it before, and it'll actually go back and show that to you. Okay, so I put in OneNote and then password lock the OneNote page on top of that, so that, you know, if someone opens it, they don't just look at your wallet keys and take your stuff, right? So that's basically how it works. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hopefully it helps. So I'll put those links below in the description. Sign up for it, and that's how you can basically use Bitcoin and Ethereum to buy and then sell it as you need it. Okay, thanks for watching.